floating on a cloud and I won't come down. I just need a couple more minutes now. I'm falling in love with these biomes. Just a little further, there's my home. I remember when the old would never end. If you wanted diamonds, didn't have to pretend. And now when I look around, I can't even spot a tree. How was it possible to have so much greed? Well, we started off small, just a cobblestone wall, but then kept on mining till we felt we had it all. I can't even remember why I dig anymore. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful world. It feels like we're losing grip. It's a beautiful world. It's a beautiful world. As long as we don't ruin it. Now I've got my eyes wide open. At first I was afraid, but now I'm hoping we can fix the world that's been broken. Now I've got my eyes wide open. At first I was afraid, but now I'm hoping we can fix the world that's been broken.